So under the animal organization, we were talking about the invertebrate phyla. We finished till Ctenophora. In Ctenophora, once again, the most important points I would like to put before you. Ctenophores are commonly called sea walnuts or gooseberries or raspberries. They are all marine, exclusively marine here now. They are also diploblastic. They are biradially symmetrical. In ctenophores, stinging cells are replaced by colloblasts or lasso cells. Colloblasts or lasso cells, which help in food capture. They secrete some adhesive substance, sticky substance that helps in food capture. Then they have about 8 comb plates or teens or costa in the body. 8 comb plates or teens or costa are present. They are meant for locomotion. That's why they are called comb jellies, They are all hermaphrodite. Fertilization is internal. Life cycle involves a larva called cydipid. The larva of ctenophores is called cydipid. Then most of them are bioluminescent. The only ctenophore with stinging cells is Achlora rubra. I made a mention already about this. The only stinging ctenophore with stinging cells is Achlora rubra. Then they have got 2 tentacles on the aboral side. Then it is divided into 2 orders. Ctenophora, phylum Ctenophora is divided into 2 orders. Order Tentaculata, order Nuda. As the name itself indicates, Tentaculata, 2 aboral tentacles are present with an aboral sense organ called statocyst. The examples for Tentaculata are Pleurobrachia, Harmiphora, Ctenoplana, Coeloplana. These 2 are commonly called comb jellies or sea walnuts or gooseberries And Ctenoplana and Coeloplana are the missing links between Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Apart from this, there is another example, cestum. Cestum is commonly called venous girdle. Cestum is commonly called venous girdle. In Nuda, as the name indicates, tentacles are absent in Nuda. The example for Nuda is Barrow. Example for Nuda is Barrow.